What's up? It's your girl Nemo here today with
Zoe.
And she is back again because we're going to finish up her hair. I did go ahead since the last video, touched up her roots, and I did get another box of the Punky Color Off to take care of the last bit of blue. Her hair does have a tint of blue to it, so there is still the slight possibility this could go green. We did do a test strand last night just to try to see if that's realistic or not, and it seemed to cover the blue pretty well without turning green, so hopefully that's gonna go well for us today. Yeah, we're gonna be trying to recreate this anime character that my daughter is into right now. What's his name?
Zenitsu.
Zenitsu?
Zenitsu.
That. So we're gonna do yellow on top and orange tips. The dyes I'm using today for the yellow are a combination of Xmondo and Arctic Fox, Cosmic Sunshine, and Super Yellow. I decided to use these two together because this has the bond enforcing technology and this has the rich yellow I like. This is nice, but it is kind of a lighter yellow and I wanted just a bit more pigment. So I think the combination of these is gonna do well for what I'm looking for. Then for the orange, we're using just straight up super orange. Not mixed with anything. It's a very it's a very nice orange. I think it's gonna work just fine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and more in the back, but we'll see what it looks like when it's rinsed out. Yeah.
I can't see it, unfortunately.
Right in here. It might not even be very noticeable, but anyway, we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, rinse it out, dry, and come back to show you the results. All right, here it is. Oh my gosh, it came out so good.
The back is a little green, but it's
There is just the slightest green tint between the yellow and the orange back here. It's really not that noticeable unless you're looking for it, but I think this is a success. I'm surprised this came out as well as it did, but I'm glad that it did.
Yeah. Me too.
All right, let's compare you to the character.
Alrighty. This looks so weird in person.
It is super bright. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.